Right then, the build continues. Here we are. Obviously, if you've clicked on the video, then you know what's in the box. I'm struggling to get into it at the moment. Now, I've been waiting for this for a little over a month. It came all the way from Ukraine. I paid £75. Let's just cut to me with it open. Here are all the bits. Back when I had the E39, I'd just being able to open your hood and not have to worry about, putting the latch up was just really nice. And I know you could argue, you don't really need it, Jank, but I thought, screw it, I'll have it. So we get our two struts. We get the two struts. Feel quite well made, to be honest. They don't feel heavy either. So we get our two struts. We get probably what one end connects to, I imagine. I'm not sure at the moment. And then we get the brackets, which are just gonna, I guess, go over the top of the where the hood sits. But I will show you very shortly. What else do we get? Some stickers. 3 stickers. 2 SP. Don't know what I'll do with them. I won't put them on the car, but they might maybe go on my laptop or something. But anyway, let's get straight. I cannot wait to just be able to open the hood and it just be fine. Just fully open for me. And there we have it, a nice and easy mod. I don't think we've ever done anything like this. We've always been stripping something, whether it's the timing or rust treating. We've always been doing something crazy. So to be at this stage of the build where I can just, do something that's improved the car in essentially 5 minutes is great. Let me know what you think in the comments. In my opinion, it makes the bay look much cleaner. And the fact that you don't need to deal with that rod. And I know it's not much of a hardship in the grand scheme of things, but it's the little things, as I always say, make a huge difference. But with that, that's going to be the end of the video. This might be the shortest video on the Subaru I've ever done. I'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe and all that crap. Bye-bye.